How's it going, y'all? Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas. I'm hanging out in front of this classy battleship right here, also known as the X22. Let's go check it out. The back of this X22 is a party with everything going on. From the pizza oven up there to keep all your stuff warm on top of the engine, to these really comfortable transom lounge seats, to our transom radio controls right there to keep the party going all the time. Once you get in the water, you have the award-winning Surf Star system down here. And then one of my favorite parts of this boat is this traditional teak wood swim deck that's a nice nod of all of our traditional skiers from back in the day. For an X22, this boat is fully optioned out with 4 tower speakers and 2 subs to this Klipsch audio system, a stunning cool feel interior, and then even on top of that, my personal favorite part to help you extend the season and ride year-round like me is the heaters. My name's Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas. This is the X22. Come ask for a demo and let's go get on the water.